Hi, now we are going to do the test for chloride, bromide and iodide, three halide ions. Let me introduce the chemicals. For chloride I am going to use potassium chloride, and for bromide I will be using potassium bromide, and for iodide I am using potassium iodide. Most of these halides are soluble in water, so I'll take a test tube and a small portion of solid into the test tube by using a spatula. I just need to have a small amount into the test tube. These are ionic reactions. The number of ions are quite large, so you don't have to have a large amount. And small amount of water, maximum 2 centimeter cube. Then dissolve it. You make a solution. Then you need to acidify with the dilute nitric acid, that also 1 centimeter cube, followed by silver nitrate. Silver nitrate is the main reagent, and you get to see the precipitate formed. It's a white precipitate formed. We will keep it for comparison. Next, the same procedure, we are going to continue with the bromide. I take a small amount of potassium bromide by using a spatula. Then I make a solution of it, adding deionized water. It is a deionized water. Shake it well. It's not a good practice to close it with your thumb and shake it. Maybe you use a bung, close it and shake it. Otherwise, just tap it gently with your thumb. Add dilute nitric acid. Nitric acid removes any interfering anions. Then add silver nitrate. So you get a slightly different precipitate. It is light yellow precipitate. Okay. That is there. We go for the next one, third one, potassium iodide. This is the test for iodide. You know, potassium iodide is one of the very expensive chemicals, and that will be usually, you can make out from the size of the bottle that is smaller. Again, I make a solution. Always, you know, you're converting them into solutions. We don't get the precipitate when we are doing as solids as such. So dissolve it in water, deionized water. Add 1 centimeter cube of dilute nitric acid. We should not use hydrochloric acid here for acidifying, because dilute hydrochloric acid contains chloride ion. That's an interfering anion. Then we should be always using nitric acid, and silver nitrate we are using. Silver nitrate, when you add, you get yellow precipitate. So the precipitate is yellow. Now for a better comparison, I bring all of them together. So you get a white precipitate for chloride, light yellow precipitate for bromide, and fairly more dark yellow colored precipitate for iodide. These are the tests for chloride, bromide and iodide. Thank you.